Hello and welcome to 3D Printer Build Along Part 3. Due to in the last episode that Neil had an issue with keeping the nuts in place whilst trying to screw things up, we have decided to glue the nuts into place. So hopefully that'll make it a lot easier. So in this episode we'll be putting on a linear bearing. It's basically just on the slides along the way. It just makes things move. Well, the motor makes it move, but this is effectively attached. So, all you want to do
is take off something you've already done.
Yeah. You want to undo one side, like so. Do one. Two. Take that side off. Get your linear bearing the right way round, that way. Slide it on. Slide to the other edges out the way. Put the end cap back on.
And this is where the bit of glue in it comes in handy then.
Yes.
Just turn it over like that, you'd have lost your nuts.
Yeah. Although squirrels might like them, but it's another handy too afterwards. That might be slightly painful.
So, it looks like it's still fiddly though.
It's still fiddly, but definitely easier. As I screw down. Second screw in place, like so. Screw it up.
Now, just for those watching, we're not actually doing them up fully tight because we know later on we need to adjust it all again.
Turn it back over, and that is our part done. So that just slides along there. And so that's it for this episode. Next episode you'll see David putting his shaft into the mets.